to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can download and install Microsoft Office 2026 on your Windows PC. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial with your friend. And in case you get any problem, let me know in the comment section. I'll be helping you out. Don't forget to like the tutorial. So the first step, you're going to come to your desktop in any space and then check right click so that you can be able to access. Check right click so you can be able to access this. Then tap new and then create a folder. That folder I've created, kindly name it Microsoft Office 2026. Once you name it Microsoft Office 2026, you're going to be having it on your desktop. Secondly, you're going to open either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, but any form of browser on your PC. Me, I prefer using Google Chrome because it is easy to use. So I'm going to tap Google Chrome and I open it on my PC. So once I open Google Chrome, I'm going to search for what we call as Office Deployment Tool. So once you search Office Deployment Tool, you're going to select this Office Deployment Tool, the first one from the official Microsoft website. Make sure that you select the language, any language. You can select any of your language you want, but me, I prefer English, and then accept download. So make sure that you have a running data bundle or you're connected to an active Wi-Fi, because this process of downloading the Office Deployment Tool requires a running data bundle. Now keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, Internet Service Providers Terms and Conditions, Microsoft Terms and Conditions, and the community guidelines. So we're going to come and then tap this icon, the Explorer icon, and then we're going to come and cut the Office Deployment Tool from your downloads. You can check downloads and then come and cut that Office Deployment Tool. And then once you cut it, you're going to come and open the Microsoft Office folder which you created earlier, and then paste the Office Deployment Tool. Now you're going to right click onto the Office Deployment Tool and select this option which is Run as Administrator. And then once you select that option, give it some few seconds. The time I'm going to give it, it will depend on the RAM, the CPU of your computer. So you're going to select OK, and then you're going to come and click to accept the Microsoft software license terms. Make sure that before you accept these terms, you read through all those terms carefully and accept what you have read through. And then after, you come and then select continue. After selecting continue, you're going to come and locate the Microsoft Office folder. Mine is in the location desktop, and it is called Microsoft Office 2026. Then check OK, and then files will be extracted successfully to Microsoft Office 2026 folder on your desktop. Now come and delete the Office Deployment Tool from from the Microsoft Office folder, and then you'll be remaining with only 2 files. Now let us go to our last step, which you will also go to Google Chrome, and then once you open Google Chrome, you're going to come and tap config.office.com. Once you tap config.office.com, this is what you're going to do. You're going to come and then choose this option, which is create, to create and modify. So you're going to select the architecture of your laptop or your desktop or of your computer. Mine is a 64-bit, and then after you're going to come and select the office suite, and then I'll select Microsoft 365 apps. If I want to use it for enterprise, I'll select this, and if I want to use it for business, I'll select this. Mine will be used for business. And then you're going to come look for Visual Studio. Keep in mind that Visual Studio is used while creating websites, and if you want to create a website using your Office, or if you're a web designer, you are free to select any plan of the visual. So I may select plan 2, and then the projects, I can also select the online desktop client. Then the additional products, I'll select none. I'll come to update channel, and I select current channel, and then I'll come to the version, keep in latest. I'll come where I see the apps I want to be accessing. If I want Skype, I can enable Skype, and if I want OneDrive, which is Groove, I can enable that OneDrive. I come to the languages. Languages, you can keep in any language you want, and then I'll come, because we have a primary language, but may prefer English, but United States. You can also select any language you want, but you can also add some additional languages like English, United Kingdom. I can add like can add another language as my other language, which will be probably this from South Africa. You can add the proofing tools. You can add Arabia. You can customize as you want. And then after, you're going to come and tap next. Now you're going to come where you see installation. You're going to check next. Also come and check. Read through before you confirm to check next, and then you're going to come to enable the license terms. You're going to keep in the product activation will be user based. Then tap next, and then after, come and tap next, and then you can come and then tap finish. Then after, you're going to come and tap right here where you see export. Now you're going to select Office Open XML formats, and then check OK, and then pass through the Microsoft terms, license terms, Microsoft software license terms. You can read through, and after come, if you accept, click right here to accept the license terms, and then check export. Now once you check export, you're going to come and locate this configuration.xml document you have created, and then after, by checking onto it, you're going to come and tap onto this folder icon. They will direct you to the downloads right here, where you will also be required to cut it, or you can locate it in the downloads folder and then configuration.xml, cut it, and then go back to your desktop, and then that will check into this Microsoft Office 2026 folder, and then paste. At this stage, you will be having 3 files in your Microsoft Office 2026 folder, and then you're going to come across it, and then you're going to also come and right click onto it, and then you're going to choose this option, which is cut. You're going to open your file explorer, and then you're going to look for this PC, and you look for your C drive, and once you enter your C drive, you're going to paste that Microsoft Office 2026 folder, and then you're going to come and then you're going to come and then search for command prompt, and then you're going to come and run command prompt as administrator on your PC, and then first you're going to come and put cd, leave a single space, then you're going to minimize, and then come double check into that folder which is in this PC and in your C drive, and then you're going to come pressing the space, and then you copy the file location by pressing Ctrl C, and then after you're going to come back to your administrator command prompt, and then paste by pressing Ctrl V, paste that location, and then check enter. Once you check enter, you're going to be opening that Microsoft Office 2026. Now you're going to type in this. You're going to type in Office. No, you're going to type in set up, a single space, a slash configure, a single space, then configuration dot xml, then check enter. Now by doing that, Microsoft 2026 will be starting to install on your computer. Now give it some few seconds so that Microsoft Office 2026 starts to install on your laptop. Let me show you what you're going to do. So you're going to wait for this. So it will first close the apps so that it can be able to install Microsoft Office 2026. Wait for it to close the apps. Then after installing, or after closing the apps, it will be starting to install in the background. As you see, mine is on 0%. So we shall not wait for it to install, because it will take some more minutes, if not minutes, hours. It will depend on the internet connection I have. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marostek, and I probably sign out. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the tutorial.